Yo, what the deal, YouTube? This your man Frank. I ain't said what the deal, YouTube, in a long time. Anyway, yo, what the deal? This your man Frank Dutch right here. I'm back at y'all with another video, man. And I want to tell y'all 3 things, man, that y'all want to remember when it comes to mixing. Before we get into it, man, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Ring that bell so you can stay up on everything that we doing. Y'all ready? Let's get into the video. One of the things that you want to consider, man, I see people overlooking a lot, man. Y'all gonna hear me talking about this a lot. And that's gain structure, bro. When it comes to mixing, one thing that a lot of people don't realize, each of those plugins, everything that you do in it, especially when you turn up any gain knobs, the additional gain that you added from that plugin is going into the next one and making that plugin react a certain way to it. And it may not sound good, you know what I mean? So understanding what each plugin is doing to the signal is very important. Another thing that people don't tend to pay attention to, especially like with recording instruments and stuff like that, understanding the phase relationship with a lot of the other instruments. You could be in a situation where not even recording instruments, you mixing a song, one of the instruments in the track sounds just weird, you know what I mean? Because you done added, you know, the other plugins and stuff on it, and what you did to it made one of the sounds kind of sound like it's not even there. You know what I mean? Man, it's because it's probably out of phase, though. You know what I'm saying? If you can use, you know, one of your plugins that has a phase button on it, you could probably flip it out of, or flip it in or out of phase, and you know it'll balance it out a little more. You know what I mean? Now, speaking of balance, another thing, like this is the biggest thing that I heard. People would have a mix and they would have reverb on every single channel, it seemed like. I mean, it's super washed with reverb, bro, to the point where you can't hear nothing. You listening to the song underwater. Depending on if that's the effect that you actually going for that particular style of music or whatever the case may be, it is not cool, bro. It don't sound good. Reverb does not make everything sound good. As a matter of fact, it can even also be a part of your phase issue. How my man Nori say? Levels spelled backwards is levels. You gotta balance it. All right, so, man, I hope this video helped y'all, man. Y'all be cool. How y'all be cool. Don't let nobody tell y'all how to do that. And also to remember, man, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Ring that bell so you can stay up on everything that we doing, man. Y'all be cool. How y'all be cool, man. I'm out.